never be a woman in our town, a woman you all know well. She dearly loved her husband and another man twice as well. Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall. Me whack, been a canary, oh, we're tipping it up to Nancy. She went down to the chemist shop, some remedies to find. Have you anything in this chemist shop to make me oh my blind? Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall. Me whack, been a canary, oh, we're tipping it up to Nancy. Give him eggs and marrow-bone and make him suck them all. Before he has the last one sucked, he won't see you at all. Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall. Me whack, been a canary, oh, we're tipping it up to Nancy. She gave him eggs and marrow-bone, she made him suck them all. Before he had the last one sucked, he couldn't see her at all. Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall. Me whack, been a canary, oh, we're tipping it up to Nancy. If in this world I cannot see, here I cannot stay, I'll drown myself, come on, says she, and I'll show you the way. Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall. Me whack, been a canary, oh, we're tipping it up to Nancy. She brought him to the river, she brought him to the brim. It's lying up with Martin, it was him that pushed her in. Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall. Me whack, been a canary, oh, we're tipping it up to Nancy. She swam through the river, she swam through the brine. Oh, Martin, dear Martin, don't leave me behind. Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall. Me whack, been a canary, oh, we're tipping it up to Nancy. Oh, Martin, dear Martin, don't leave me behind. You're a shut up or a let you silly old fool. Martin is mine. Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall. Me whack, been a canary, oh, we're tipping it up to Nancy. There's 9 in me family, and none of them is me own. I wish that each and every man would come and claim his own. Oh, with a me whack, been a canary, oh, me tip, been a wall.